Welcome, welcome. Nice to have you guys back, and welcome to my backyard living. Today, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm working on, but first I'm going to give you guys a quick little tour. Okay guys, what we're looking at first, just my little tool shed. Picked it up at Lowe's. Excellent little shed. Keep all my little tools in there. Now, right over here is the barbecue area. Half of it is propane, half of it is coals. So you can either cook with propane or with coals. Next is my seating area. I usually come out here in the morning, drink a cup of coffee, put my legs up, and enjoy the outdoor. And right next door is one of my favorite area. This is my I call it my living area. This is where I would put my foot up, chill, sometimes fall asleep watching television. I usually have the television right up on the wall right there where that mount is, and I would sit, watch television. Last but not least is these two huge trees. Create a lot of shade, keep the temperature down in the summer. Now, with all of that being said, let me take you to show you exactly what I'm working on right now. That's right guys, I put together my first ever garden. Not much of a garden, it's a little small, but it has some herbs and spices. There's some tomato plants. Yeah, the tomato plants looks like they're in a bit of a struggle, but give it a couple of weeks, we'll see how everything works out. And right next door, I have a bit of peppers, some green onions, and a bit of mint. But let's go back to the tomato plant. These were the first plants that I started with. As you can see, there's a few tomatoes. But if you look a little closer at the bottom of these two tomatoes, yeah, right there, it's a little, there's some dark spots. I had no idea what they were, so head to the internet. Tomatoes with dark bottom, and what popped up was blossom end rot. And they're stating that the reason for blossom end rot is just the lack of calcium. The tree is not getting enough calcium, either through improper watering technique or not enough calcium in the soils. So what I did was try to add as much calcium to the soil as possible. That seemed to have worked. As you can see, some of the other tomatoes, they seem fine. And what I did was the two tomatoes with the end rot, I got rid of them, and hopefully everything goes fine from here on out. We'll see. We'll check in the next 1 to 2 weeks. I'll bring you guys another video, and I'll provide an update. One other thing that I absolutely wanted to mention to you guys is my attempt at cloning the tomato plant. So what I did was cut off a piece of the plant, stuck it in a bunch of water for approximately 2 weeks, and just left it there. At the end of the first week, I changed the water, and within 2 weeks, roots. Just as you're seeing right there. And what I did was just took that same plant, planted, and it seems to be doing well. Well guys, you've seen what I've been up to. Thank you so much for selecting the video, much appreciated. Once again, if you like this video, don't forget, hit the like button and the bell notification for any of my upcoming contents. Until next time, I'm out of here.